With more farms exploring color lighting, one question comes up often. How do you use the right color at the right moments? Because not every color works as main lighting. Cool white or warm white should always be your main lighting, depending on the type of poultry in the house. Red and blue are support colors. Red can be mixed with white or used on its own, depending on the situation. Blue should only be used on its own. Before switching colors, always dim your lights first. This prevents birds from being startled and helps keep stress levels low. Want to learn when to switch colors and why it matters? Follow us for more practical lighting tips.